morning, people. Good morning. Thanks for joining. For those of you that will see this video now, for those of you that will see it later, for those of you that will see it at any time. So from here, it's 10. I think in Nigeria it should be 10 past 8. In United Kingdom, it's 10 past 7. So good morning to everyone. I'm not going to waste much of your time. Now, the reason why I tagged Governor Eziokwu probably is just hearing Chief Pilot. Maybe he doesn't know I'm the one. And I have to also tag Ken here. And I want to tag Jpac here and Ogechi here. And Oge, I'm going to join you later for your live program. Now, Governor Eziokwu, you know you have a place where you go to seek for justice when you know your hands are clean. I'm not here to defend myself or to say, oh, they are doing this, they're lying against me. No. I'm too big for that. The same way you go to Shanamite, Ajalin Nagi, Shanamite, the god of Shan. That is the same way I go to the burial ground. Jpac, Chinedu Joseph, please, I want his full name. I know they come out for social media. I could just come, use Bible, curse you, then spiritually destroy you. Everything about you. The worst mistake you made was to ever lie against me. One thing I don't stand is when people lie against me. So I'm waiting for the video. Saga G's Analyzer, my dear brother or my dear sister, I don't know who is under the account. I saw where you tagged me that Jpac was on Governor Eziokwu's platform lying against me. Please, I want that video. Like I reached out to Waja yesterday. He said when I get the video, I should send to him. If it's true and I confirm it, Jpac, I will print your picture, your real name. I will go to burial ground to get my justice. The same way Governor Eziokwu goes to Shanamite, the god of Shanamite. That is the same way. Now, people, everything they have said, except one, is true. Like I said, likes of Julie Chinwe Agu, the human trafficker in the UK, that I've told her several times to take legal action. I wonder why she's not doing anything. I wonder why she's calling from platform to platform. That is why I say most of them in the UK, they are nobodies. They only have mouth. Julie, you are nobody. You will remain miserable till all the days of your life. You understand? Now, Governor Eziokwu, if you believe everything these people, that's Mirabel, the woman that I gave voice, fought Oge for years, thinking she was saying the truth, until recently, a new set of her knew this girl has been without me even knowing. But I came out, took all the bullets for this Mirabel, that came to lie to you, that Ogechi wrote RIP on my kids. Governor Eziokwu, always learn to get your facts right. That these people are having problem with Oge. These were the same people that were with Oge fighting me when I was trying to get justice for Mr. Emmanuel Obi. These were the same people that did not bring one dime for Mr. Obi's court case. This Mirabel you were seeing has been the one sharing her nude. I gave her voice. The same Mirabel turned against me. That's okay. But I know one thing, I promise her that she will suffer. That's how she scammed people to build. She can never have peace in that house. She's too small because she's not up to even our last born. So me exchanging words with her is like bringing down myself. So she's a nobody. She remains a beggar. She remains a... And that is where I have placed her. All the people that knew her, because I came out to ask people to support her financially. They knew her because of me. This lady is also a Ide Water has shown this countless of time, how she has been blackmailing people, how she's been lying against people to get money out of them. So if you're going to believe all these women that they are on social media and stay away from the truth, Governor Eziokwu, then that's your god of Shanamite will destroy you. But I want you to stand neutral. Now, Jpac, Chief of Gineki Chinedu Joseph, please, I want his last name. I'm not seeing comment, but I want Jpac's last name. Ngaweyana are the more deadly than Oge. I know they come out Conde. Okay, give me an Bible. That course so that your life will be more destroyed. Jpac, I'm giving you 3 days. The reason why I'm giving you 3 days is to wait to see the video where you said that it was me. I will send it to Waja. Then I will go and settle our case as burial ground. You know, one thing I like about burial ground is where I get my justice, and I do two-way prayer. Let this thing happen to me, but if it's not true, it will follow you to your 3rd and 4th, 5th, 6th generation. That is how I roll. Yesterday, I called Ken. Let me check the time I called Ken yesterday. I called Ken. I know he's still recovering, and I told him to recover. And he shouldn't get himself involved. But I spoke to Ken yesterday night. Chichi, please, my sister. No, for now, no. K-time injury called Ken yesterday. I called Ken UK time 21:31, and we spoke for 3 minutes. This is my conversation with Ken. You can see it here. Ken, Palace of Justice. Hold on. This is Ken, Palace of Justice. I spoke to him. This is his new number, and I also forwarded the payment slip. Now, Jpac, it wasn't even in your mind to even help Ken in the first place. Because I remember you only sent money, 50,000, after you have made, after your wedding, you came out to speak to Ijato, that if you take, because of what Ken did to you, will not. Now, Dr. Governor Ezioku, let me say something. If you're going to believe those people, that it was me that brought out Oge's father's picture on the sick bed. I'm not saying I did not bring any out picture, like the one they sent to me that he was at Walmart. The ones he wrote a book, it was sent to me. But that particular one on hospital bed, Ken wasn't even the first person that posted it. Jpac did. Recently, I had to send a screenshot to Alicia. You know me, I like to. Someone was saying I should send you the picture yesterday. I said, no, I won't send you because Ogechi has been posting that picture. Now, Ogechi's page was where I even got that screenshot. You know, I look at all these liars on POG and I laugh. Now, this was where, you can see, this was when I took a screenshot from Ogechi Okekenjaka, and it was on Jpac. I was the one that circled it. Here, I was one that circled it and sent it to Alicia. This red thing, because I think Oge didn't have it again. Now, I screenshot this thing from Ogechi Okekenjaka, and that's after she has taken it from Jpac's page to post it. I don't know if the date is here. Listen, people, I'm not here to start explaining myself, but Jpac, the same way Governor Ezioku goes to Shanamite, the god of Shanamite, that is the same way I'll go to burial ground for you. I only want to see where you actually confirmed that this picture, okay, sorry, I have to show this picture, that this picture of Dr. Timothy Okeke on hospital bed, that it was me that posted it. You need to bring where I posted it, the page, because I think I remember I left POJ September 2020 when we started having misunderstanding, when we were raising money. Now, that was when Ken traveled to Nigeria. He was with John that period. We were even fighting in inbox. I remember telling them not to travel for the burial, that arrest is going to take place. But everybody ignored my warning. They went. And at the end of the day, they all came out, started lying against me and all that. Even the chief pilot page that was using to fight for justice, someone took the page. This page is a new one. They took the page, they added. Let me tell you something, I'm the type that like to keep evidence for the sake of posterity. Now, Jpac, I'm waiting for Zagajis to post where you actually said on Mr. Ezioku's platform, and hear your voice saying that you said is chief pilot. Now, I want you to bring evidence from my page where you screenshot it with your screen. The reason why I screenshot this one with Ogechi's name on it was because Ogechi already posted it. And then I had to take a screenshot with your name on it to post, to keep. This particular one, any other thing, allegation you people are saying, yes, I accept I did it. Now I want you people to charge me to court. But you see this particular one, this is the reason why I will take Jpac to burial ground. I will not listen to anybody. Jpac, mechagi, if I finish with your destiny, you will know that oh, in that name I avoid. I will make sure that all your roads are closed. I will use Deuteronomy 28 to destroy you. If you don't bring in 3 days, you don't bring evidence to ascertain that I was the one that posted this particular one. I'm not talking about every other one. You see this particular one where this man was on hospital bed. If you don't bring, you will never see good. Engage Bible. Anything in my possession. The same way you propose Governor who goes to Shanamai with Ajana. That's the same way I will go to burial ground. I will destroy your destiny. You don't know me because you will not lie. I spoke to Ken yesterday. Ken confirmed that he took it from your platform, that you were the first person that posted it. I told him to relax, let him recover first. After his recovery, the reason why you ran to Ken is for Ken not to expose you. And he checked for you in a WhatsApp group. You forgot, if not that people started, you forgotten what you said in WhatsApp group. When did you even contribute money? Let me show you people his voice notes. Let me leave it. Go ahead, read the thing they did secret. But another person, this Jpac, I remember you coming online to make video to try to use Ken's name one on this thing. I don't know why you deleted that video. Ken for come taking here all of them. You even confirmed in the voice notes. Nandeni known at this group when they came major. I can't cut again. I can't drag you. Can't do this. That you're not even supposed to help him. Nobody forced you. You only brought common 50,000 naira towards the end. Being Noronese and the Willanats na the Emote go this thing lawyer now got that. That's when you even sent after your wedding. But so people like Waja, they've all brought money. Different people have brought money the first time when they wanted to even go and buy things that Ujuatu was going to see Ken in detention. It was later after your wedding you managed to bring common 50,000. You Jpac, you. I am the wrong person you will ever lie against because nga gwage that awuma gadan na nebu anu nge buyarigi spiritual nke mu awuna na ako nkoge ona banye na oburoge nge meki I go do you you go regret ever even adding me on that, making me part of that WhatsApp group for Ken, because you will have, when I approached you, you will have said no, that you are not interested, but you will regret ever even lying against me. Look at you. So you got to get dashi. No more I open this picture. Now say you see burial ground. Nothing. Except Zaga Gist and Eliza will not post that video. Yeah, post to go to that video. For all you challenge, all you liars, likes of Mirabelle, a common beggar, that I thought I was fighting for her. I didn't know that even while I was fighting for her, she was busy sleeping. So what I want to say, Governor Ezioku, I would advise you, say this matter, please don't follow these people telling you lies that it was me that brought out this particular picture, because now I gave where they go get my justice. So, and they involved Mr. Obi, because I spent over 500,000 to make sure that Mr. Obi's case entered the courts when I was fighting Oge. Now Mirabelle lied to you that Ogechi wrote my kids RIP. Can you tell her to bring evidence? Because the person that wrote my kids RIP is Sharon Adam Messi Emanga, that they call Ubana Ifunanya, the one they refer to as Bleacher. She has been the first person writing RIP on kids, because she felt I was saying that their sins will visit them and their children to third and fourth generation, according to Exodus 20 verse 5. Yes, I made videos. Now they take videos out of context. Now let me educate you, Governor Ezioku, because I don't know if you're well learned. Sorry if I'm being rude. Requesting for something that I requested, that I said Ogechi has been writing people RIP, or telling people rest in peace, not even writing. Obi at that time on Asigi, oh yeah, go on, rest in peace. She has never written anybody RIP, but she will say it. Oh yeah, Apinyolamgi, rest in peace. Leave my page. So That period, she was having problem with Ken and also myself. And because I hate allegation and all those things, so I say, Ken, since Oge, that's the video they took out of context. Since Oge is referring to people and writing people RIP, and go and make RIP too on the mom, so that what I can do or you know do I know no, because he didn't send it to me. And that time was Palace of Truth. I'm not supposed to explain this to you because I don't owe any of you explanation. But you see that particular picture of Dr. Timothy on hospital bed. If Jpac no bring evidence, Jpac, Deuteronomy 28 from verse 16, 3 days, I will destroy your destiny. You will never have peace. Not on social media, in real life. Agame Megi, the whole world will hate you. That is my promise. You will know that I am not a woman to be messed with. How about this one? They not tell you say they not tell you say I be only yeah, sorry my brother. You supposed don't know say I be only na London. You supposed don't know say I go with Exodus and Deuteronomy to destroy my enemies. Nka unge michagi Nga iga baye na Nigeria no reasonable man will spend money to bring you out, and I'll make sure you rotten. You will enter problem. Keep this video. Jpac or Chinedu Joseph. Keep this video. Make chagi. You go no say it gets some people where they know the lie. If you don't come out and tell the world how you got this picture of Dr. Timothy Okeke on hospital bed, I can accept every other accusation, but you see this particular one. If you don't come out, Jpac, your day shall be like night, and your night shall be like day, and you will never sleep. You will never have rest. I will make sure that I destroy your No. I deal with spiritual because I go to equity with clean hands. I will make sure I destroy you. I will make sure that I destroy your destiny. Because Zagajis Analyzer, can you please post that part where he said on their governor, Ezioku, can you post that part? Because I spoke to Waja. I want to forward him that. And I'm giving him 3 days before I will destroy his destiny. Abramono, I go to burial ground to get my justice. This way with Shanamite, the God of Shanamite. I do the God of burial ground, the spirit of burial ground, that people destroy my enemies. And Jpac, you have made yourself my enemy. You will regret ever adding me in that WhatsApp group to support Ken. When I approached you, you will have said no. But you still went behind now, cut to Ken. You they destroy him. You don't even supposed to give him anything. Because you can't which the guy has changed. Because now he has learned his lesson. And I don't think he will ever do saga. But thinking you want to get close to Ken so that for him to cover your atrocity, no. It will not work. The truth must come out. And Ken has confirmed that he got it from your platform. Because I spoke to him last night. Look at you. Look at, since you married, you've not even had one rest. Ken Bijiri, Lord, this your girl, woman. I know say the girl no say you now, so you be the girl for no even attempt to marry you. But Jpac, Chinedu Joseph, please, I want his last name. Because only I got equity, I like to go with my name and your name. I want to destroy your destiny. Except, of course, you will come out and tell the world how you got that picture. For those of you saying, see, the video is there. I never deleted it. Where they posted that you said I did GoFundMe. Look at we people are lying. I did GoFundMe for I made reference that they should type Dr. Timothy C. Okeke. They will see, even showed that even Chika, where they can contact. Now, you people should go there. You will see the name. I don't know if they've taken it out. Where they did GoFundMe, money raising for Dr. Timothy Okeke from the church people. That the video is there. So Jpac, if you actually claimed that you took the picture from my page, bring your proof. And I will bring proof that I screenshot it from Ogechi's page with her name and your name on top. If you do not bring it, peace will be far from before the end of this year, next year. I will make sure your contract, everything close. Men will rise to hate you. The same way it says in Proverbs, said, men shall come to your rising, men shall come to your destruction, men shall destroy ezinụlọ gị niile. Onwegi ihe ọma ga-abịara gị. Onwegi ihe ọma wuli tinyere aka ga-agara gị. Akụchiri m akara aka gị today. Just wait for burial ground, because Zaga just analyzer. Actually, if I want to be the one that will destroy him finally, so that you gonna say all these women up to Hannah, like likes of useless Julie that is doing prostitution, now bigo life that is showing men her breasts, or useless Julie that has been trafficking women. Julie Ago, the last woman that called you. Tell them, those of them in UK, tell them to take legal action. The last one that took legal action, until 100K. Ask her how far with the legal action. How they flung her case away because she's useless and waiting for her to enter another one. Can be able to put that information here. Make her come bring out the person where they did the same medical time. We bring out everything about her. That's in Yishi. Come Jaya. Can we put everything? How she lied, everything. That's why they wait. Look at you people. Not to say that me or oh God, you don't know me. I am not even stressed. The same way they go Shanamite. That's the same way you will see, oh, you're in London in burial ground. I go bury you in our destiny there. Because Ashram full name Jpac, Joseph Chinedu. I want his last name, his father's name. I want to use it to destroy him. Okay, from now on, from your father's house that you should remain useless. The one get to go logo the useless. I go help destroy you. So that next time you will not lie against people. Ken Chinwendu, the reason why I tagged him, I spoke to him last night and he confirmed it that he took it from Jpac's page. You think Ken will stay away from the truth? He knows the truth and he will speak the truth because he wasn't even the first person that posted that thing. It was Jpac. Now he's denying his atrocity. He wants to say, nah, let me go destroy your remaining life. And go get American dance. I go with fire. You see all these nobodies, all these beggars, people that are fighting for justice, that cannot spend money to get justice, that only results in begging for rice, begging for Hennessy, or begging. Look, no, now, Jpac, you've actually proven that to me that you are on the floor. Because if you mingle with likes of Kingsley, a common deportee, right? Or likes of Jim Venza, a drunk that fell from or is he Oriako, as at last week or so, still came to my inbox, sent me accounts to give him money. If you are mingling with this type of people, then you're still on the ground and you can never rise. Because they say evil begats evil. You're dealing with people. You're dealing with people. Those are the likes you're dealing with. You still have a long way to go. And I feel sorry for your wife. I feel sorry for her because that girl is innocent. But you see you, Ajo Mado. For all of you peddling lies that picture on the sick bay, I brought it. But all of you that lied, this is how they will lie against your children. This is how they will lie against all of you. Those people that made fake pigs, that said, I use my enemy to fight my enemy. That's what I was telling Noge. Say, I don't know this girl. That's why I said I can never fight Sadama Aze, and I will not fight Sharon. Because she wanted me to come out and be fighting Sharon. Make her they fight Sharon for them. It's a no-no. I know when to draw the limits. When I said I wasn't going to fight Sharon, I have my reasons. I cannot be fighting for someone that I know that is evil personified. Someone, any little thing, or Jewe Kotonuko, Jebuma. No. I've done that mistake before. I will never do it again. When I said I will not fight Sadama Aze because we are from the same place, I have the reason why. When I say I will not fight Sharon, I have my reasons. You don't fight for people or give people voice who are evil. No. Gone are those days that I do that. But you see, Jpac, this war you want to start with me, I will make sure that your destiny is destroyed. I will make sure you never see any good thing in your life. I will make sure you die a miserable death. Next time, when I know Onyara London, mental syndicates, anti-gwegwegwe, anti-dry season, Johnny Walker, Onyi sing baka, you go dey wrong. You go no say I be only sing baka. But I will tell you that I know my Bible to destroy you. I have my and I have ways. Nange making if I finish dealing with you, things will be so difficult for you that until you come out to say the truth. Because you know the truth. You posted it before Ken even took a screenshot and posted. If evil thing, they've gone there and started telling Governor Jpac that is this person, is that, and look at him. You what they call Shanamite, and you're believing their lies. You cannot even see because of their hatred. These were the same people fighting me. When me and Oge were fighting, they were supporting Oge, fighting against me, that I'm evil, and they cause children, but now they don't carry children, go dibia. Now they don't see, see them, oh my God. I just they laugh. Oh God. It only take the grace of God for my spirit to release that person to progress. You Jpac, welcome to my world. American dance. They not tell you say bury grandmama. Hey God. I be bury grandmama. You go to say no go work. It only take a while. But it go manifest. Okay, me. You know why? I go to equity with clean hands. I be man of this sitting. I go with equity with clean hands. You see, anybody that comes to equity should come with clean hands. You must tell the world the truth. How and where you got that picture. And you must bring the proof. If you say you took the screenshot from my page, bring it, Chief Pilot, because I left Palace of Justice 2020, around September, before they even went. Before they went for this thing, I still having misunderstanding. Ken took me out from Palace of Justice. Even there were 2 Palace of Justice, the smaller page, which Oga Frank is aware of it. Intelligent Caller is aware of it. They even asked Ken, oh, why? Osina, maybe I feel remove the page. I feel remove him as admin. Because I remember someone doing it to him that time on Palace of Truth. So he said that's why he removed me. But I didn't feel bothered. You understand? But I'm happy I spoke to him last night. And he confirmed that it was Jpac that first posted it. He confirmed it. Because this time around, the guy wants to be on the truth area. Because most of you, just like Jpac said in his voice notes, nobody brought anything. Nobody wants to write. Nobody group or anything. That's you don't forget to leave that voice note for group. Useless amweba. Useless parameter. I mean, you won't call they lie the pussy. See you now. See you know, see. Oh no, get so soggy. See your mouth. Now this your mouth. Oh no, pomoga. Oh no, imbiribiga. Oh no, kandaga. Now it make you they useless. And now this your mouth go destroy you as a man. Walking up Jpac. At least why ne goku. Give one walk. Ne wara konuchi. You supposed to talk anyhow. Because you want to make money on Facebook. Now only can they drag you know they drag. You know they drag useless man. If you don't bring evidence in 3 days, now 3 days I go stay on your case and I go make sure I destroy you spiritually. From my page, get the screenshot or that thing. That is why you were able to lie. A hopeless man will not get direction. That's why they call you wear belly face. Now wear belly face, you go carry. I don't know if you date 20 months pregnant or 100 years pregnant. You know, bra photo mbogi na geari. Then again, now Chief Pilots wasted their life. Now you won't call people. See, I know Ogechi has voice notes to conversation with her and Jpac. Now, if you people remember, years back, when Ogechi was saying that somebody Burun Nadia, she was saying it. We thought it was a make-up stories. She said it for years until one particular day she was forced and pushed before she played that voice note. Now, I want you people to use that because from the things video get you run yesterday, on they go see some things. Onwegi, how come Ogechi no call any other person? How come it was Jpac? And how come Ogechi have access to those people's name and contact? This is one thing you push you sit down and ask yourself. How come? How come? Go to Ogechi remove those contacts. Or you meet those people that have contacts and then now forwarded it to herself. Because I sat down, I was thinking like, okay, the reason why she never won't play voice notes Time will come when she will play that voice note. A time will come. The person that I know, time will come. If she could hold she could hold that voice note for 2 to 3 years without playing it. A time will come when we're going to hear Jpac voice. It's only a matter of time. We're not going to hear him voice. Make una relax, so because this Jpac, for his action yesterday, believing all this and dog war, they deport on our Facebook, hopeless man, we don't get work. If he can reduce himself, that's when I knew that, oh my God, this guy is a nobody. He is a nobody. Is it Eno or Lodo? Olodo, even if you know go school, can't you pronounce? Even if you cannot write, can't you pronounce? Eno, en konakpo eno, legi, illiterate. That mean you won't call thing say you can't begin. Wo mashe gudu meje siye. Timba, omo bo se ngun ata. Omo ata rodo, bo se nfi okuta fi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ma se gun ayé ma gun báyìí ni ma se gun. Wàá mọ̀ pé ó ti ṣe àwọn àrò mẹ́ta gudu méje wa o mọ̀ pé ó ti ṣe ẹ̀kan inú wọn èmi ò ń ṣe ẹni tó ń bá ṣe anyhow. They don't tell you say I be rusika. You go no say I wicked. If you don't bring your proof in 3 days, I will disobey waja. I will go to burial ground to get my justice, so that next time I'm sure destiny gikuche, I'm sure everything about that so that you will not be lying against people, so that you will gob your mouth. You shut up your mouth. People, I got to go. So, Governor Eziokwu, if all those people are coming to lie to you, saying that Ogechi's father's picture on the bed, sick bed, that I was the one, the question you should have asked, if you're actually a reasonable man, so how did you get the picture? Did you go to the hospital? Who sent it to you? That is only a good, a man with, even if you're having problem with Ogechi, a man with a neutral mind should have asked, okay, go to Shiwote this picture. You're there. A nobody. Look at nobody deported from Turkey. Won't come they run. A nobody like Juliago, the human that was there. Say, okay, she write down. Look at them. I don't know all the years. Maybe, hold on. Julie, maybe you actually get to see me better when I wear this Eskimo, because I want you to move a muzzle. Julie Chinwe Ago, I want you to move a muzzle because you're a nobody. You have my record where I come to. Now, I don't get your record where you talk say Ken Chori Gunde Madu Wayo. Now the same thing you get in the make a Ken Chori me. Now Ken say now ya passport here with 2 point something million that you ask someone that I saw. I don't get your voice note. I don't get your voice note where you they cry. So you have all those voice notes. You cannot go to the court. You're in UK with me, and I've been calling you a drug dealer. You cannot take action. You say, that make you go go your house. Go find out, say, nagi churogo son ituri me being on secondary school. I chopogi kariri ni. That's what Gobenaja said. I am not here. I'm not answerable to anybody. Okay, I will come to your life when you come. When you come live. Jpac. Biko Zagajis, Biko Kopitrai because I don't want to go the search. The only place I managed to screen record is where that's when she called. I had to screen record that part. And where and the drug dealer, I had to screen record because that's what me they do. All these people, Mirabelle is a nobody. So me even calling your name, I'm like, upgrading you. You ain't nobody. You want your name, you go feed you, and you will keep begging all the days of your life. Onu nine ogechi brogi this month. Kenga boogie. You see that house you scam people that they gave you over 500,000 with you and that's your ongoka him or one nidigi. You see that house, you can never have peace in it. Let me tell you. Shebi, let me give you voice. Now me from here call police for Nigeria. Now me from here call make them release your account number. I will make sure that house that you scam people, you will never have peace. You Jpac, I want evidence, because Ken has confirmed that actually you posted that thing. Ken confirmed it. He did. So if you don't bring evidence that you took it, because you're saying, I left PO. You didn't know I left POJ since 2020, September. You didn't know. You were not informed. Ndala. You come and say, okay, now me post him. Oh yeah, come and arrest me. Jpac, fly to UK and arrest me. I've been only China, chinko, chin, chong, chong, chong. Now you they go. Only China you they go. Your mates they go better country. You see they go China, chin, chong, 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 chin, chong, chong, chong. Nah. Ogechi one day different, because Ogechi they come. Yeah, no. My own now with Bible. So that they make now go get Bible man go for Kuraja. The way Governor could ask Shanamite. The God of Shanamite. I go Shanamite you with the dead people.